All right. Wanted to show you how you need to set up your camera for your stopping and blurring motion. So first, make sure you have a battery and SD card. On the side of your camera, make sure you have it set to the A, which is autofocus. Then on the top of your camera, you want to make sure that if you have a Canon, you have it set to TV. So this turns right here, and right at that little white line, you want to make sure you set it to TV. Then this wheel right here is what you use in order to change your shutter speed. So right here represents my shutter speed on the back of my camera. And notice as I go down, I'm good. That's 1/30th of a second. And this is my light meter right here. And notice that it stays with the little white dot right in the center, telling me that that's a good exposure. If it goes up to the plus sign, it's going to be overexposed over here. And if it goes over, it will be underexposed. And you also can see that you have your ISO, which is your sensitivity. You don't need to change any of that stuff. The only thing that you're going to be changing is your shutter speed right now because we have it on shutter priority. So you change the shutter speed and it will automatically change the aperture that's for you. The only other thing for this project is you want to make sure it's on continuous shooting mode. And on the side of your camera, when you press that looks like a little stack of papers, you click on that. And this would be single, and this is continuous. Press OK, and then you're ready to go. So that when you go to hold down your shutter speed or your shutter release, it's going to take multiple pictures for your stopping and blur. If you are using the Nikon, you're going to put it on the S. It's a shutter priority. It's the same thing. And on the back of the camera, here's the wheel. So the wheel, it's doing the same thing. You're moving that wheel to change your shutter speed. You can see that there. And here is your light meter. You can see that someone kind of played with this a little bit. So you can see that that is overexposed. Or this one's underexposed right there. I'm looking at it backwards. And you want to have multiple pictures at one time. So you click on this. It says S for single. I'm going to select down and I'm going to press the continuous shooting mode. Now when I hold it down, I will have multiple pictures for my stopping and blurring motion. Also, again, make sure that you're A on the side. So that is your camera setup for stopping and blurring motion.